Hey, what's up, all? Rock on the radio, Rockstar energy drink, surf fishing, largemouth bass fishing, seafood, all you can eat weekend. What more could you want? I don't know why, but the rush and the thrill, I've been doing this a trillion times, it never wears off. Going in for the weekend, there's the obviously famous Cape Cod Canal. And we are heading down the Cape for the weekend. And stay tuned, let's have a lot of fun this weekend. Weather sounds good and it should be. You know, from where I am in Southeast Mass, you know, a lot of people think the Outer Cape is just a bop down, you know, short thing. It's like 100 miles. The Cape is pretty big. You know, it's 100 miles from Southeast Mass to, like, say, Orleans, Troy area where I'm going. I'm in the suck part of Route 6 here. This is where it's one lane and it ends up in Chatham. And if you got a lollygagger that takes his time driving, this is the hardest part of the trip down here, having the patience to sit behind nitwits. Sometimes you win, but most of the time you don't because people are on vacation. So, but regardless, it's a wonderful place to be going for the weekend. I'll shut up now and quit. Oh, look at this. That's a sand sculpture. That's crazy. Look at the detail. They're getting out of control. How they get it so perfectly sharp like that. Wow. Welcome to the Outer Cape. I had to get this up there. I'm a member. I'm sure all you guys are members, and if you're a young guy, you can't wait to be a member, and if you're not, you're in deep trouble. And here we go. We have arrived in P-Town for the show. I'm here for the art, but I can only take about an hour of this. P-Town Center, John's Footlong, the usual. John's Footlong, a pint of clams is $40 now. So the whole deal is $50. Gotta go, gotta eat. All right, I'm at McMillan Wharf, and one of the most beautiful schooners here. It doesn't exactly have an American name, it's the Hindu, but check the teak all over that. There's a ton of work involved maintaining that, but the lasting quality of that wood, that's why they use teak on these ships, because they're kind of impervious with about 500 layers of varnish on them. But what a beautiful boat. Must be magnificent on this sail. Just wish that name wasn't the Hindu. I don't see an American flag up there. I have no idea. Good looking ship. I am in South Wellfleet and I'm looking for pilgrims burial grounds because I ride by this all the time, forever and ever, and I always said to myself I want to stop in, but so far the oldest grave I can find is 1838. Right there. And she was 88 years old. And that's hugely old. That's old for now, right, today. Back then they died around 30, 40 years old. That was their average lifespan. But this is the Phoebe. This is the oldest one in here so far, 1838. So this guy here, this is another family, 1844. That's his wife. He's got a flag here. He's probably a veteran. And August 8th, 1838, Wythell, W-I-T-H-E-L-L. Now this guy's probably close to a settler because 86 years old puts him around 1760. Wow. That's when he was born, I think. Around there. I can do the math, but 86 minus 38. So it's around 1760-ish. He saw a lot of American history. We got this sweet little thing, 17 years old, 1842, Mary S. Hey, all right, it's morning time and I got my sanity back. And rather than battle the seals on the ocean beaches, this was the plan anyway, was to catch these kettle ponds here are magical down the Cape, any one of them, most of them. And that's where I'm heading now, to try for largemouth bass and all the panfish and all that, but specifically the largemouth and smallmouth bass fishing. I'm barefoot now, kind of going down this trail because I want to wade. So let's go. There are literally hundreds of these hidden gems between Plymouth and Provincetown, and that covers all the Cape Cod towns, and there are hundreds of them, and they're mainly underfished, crystal clear, formed by the glaciers, so they're very deep. A lot, if not most of them, are stocked with trout too. This particular one is so small, I don't think it is though. But there it is, beautiful. This one can't be more than 30 or 40 acres, I bet. This is new, that thing's down. This tree here, that was never there. Oh, the water's not bad. This can't be more 30, 40 acres, I'd say. Not a soul here. We got schools of minnows, tiny little minnows here. The water is crystal clear. All right, let's set up and hit. All right, I am using ultralight Penn 420 SS, 4-pound test, and Rapala floater. There's a lot more water in here than there was last time, so I don't know how deep I can go. That's pretty deep in front of me too. Anybody home? Oh, there's a bite. Oh, we had a little sunny hit it. I'm in a precarious situation here. Let's see if we can get this guy. It's a good fish right here. Oh, he got off. Oh, doggone it. It's about a 2-3 pound bass. Doggone it. So I switched over to a man's auger tail spin. It's like a tiny spinnerbait. I have wicked good luck with this usually. See what happens. Let's go fish. 2 nice ones so far. About a 2-pound bass I lost, and I saw a massive pickerel follow, but I didn't hook up. Flip back over to the wrap top water, because this is an area I have not yet fished. I bushwhacked in here, and it's getting up to be the magic hour. Stuff should start happening. Come on, fish. That's all you gotta do. And there you go. And there it is, just like that. Textbook. Wow. Let's go. Oh yeah. No, stay down, buddy. Let's go. I'm gonna let you go. Just wanna introduce you to everybody. Hang on. Beauty. Yeah, you got a mouthful of hooks on that one. Yeah. All right. Good looking, clean bass. That was textbook. It's hard to not twitch it, let those rings disappear, but that's the proper way to do it. And they're seeing it from the bottom and they don't know what to think. And now you twitch it a little, let them think that it's a stunned minnow. And don't stop twitching it. There it is. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Thanks for cooperating. Let's go, buddy. Yeah, knock that off. Come on, I'm gonna let you go. He's got a face full of hooks. Come on, come on. Not a big deal, come on. They can't stand that top water. That's why this is the #1 bait to me. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. I don't want to get hooked. Make this tougher than it has to be. Beautiful looking largemouth. Perfect colorations on that thing. All right, buddy. Thanks. Thanks for the gumball. So the period between when the sun goes down below the horizon and full dark, that's the magic hour. Salt water, fresh water, hunting, anything outdoors, that's game movement. I am the only one on this pond. I mean, it's just, there's hundreds if not thousands of these ponds down the Cape. Like I said earlier, formed by the glaciers. And they're deep, some of them. So they might be tired of the top water, so I'm switching to the Man's Auger Tail Spin. It's a smaller spinner bait. Style spinner bait. And I have really good luck with it usually. Notice confidence lures. Use what you get good luck, and the only way you can get good experience with them is to use them. Fish. You haven't seen this one, let's go. That's not how you're supposed to do. All right, what happened? The old bail snapping clothes trick. All right, let's go. Beautiful sunset. Wow. Shortly, I'm going to head down to the head of the Meadow Beach for some night fishing and go striper fishing, as long as the seals aren't molesting, which they are. I have a feeling they are. That's why this is Plan B on this episode. Always probably going to be, for the time being, until they remove some of those seals. These kettle ponds, exploring each one that I can find through here is new to me, so I'm always wanted to do it down here, down the Cape, and because there's no striper fishing, because of the seals, hence this while I'm down here. Come on, one more for the road, but it's just about the right time to start putting Mac chunks out in the sloughs on head of the Meadow Beach. There he is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much, good Father, for that. Oh, a jumper. Come on, bud. No, stay down. Stay. It's a good one. Come on, bud, I'm going to let you go. I want to introduce you to the peeps. Water is so clear. Come on. I'm going to let you go. Give it up. 4 jumps, 4 good jumps too. He's angry. Come on, you done? There you go. Oh, he's just barely hooked. Don't do it. Gotcha. Beautiful. Just a beautiful Cape bass. Good 1.5 pounds. Nice fish. Just a beautiful fish. Spectacular. All right, bud. Thank you so much for letting me see ya. Letting the folks see ya. And there he goes. Now that is awesome. Look at that sunset. Let's go surf fishing. I'll see you on the Outer Cape, head of the Meadow Beach. Thank you for coming along on this one, on this part of the Cape, Outer Cape adventure, and we'll see you on the ocean side. I don't care what anyone says, you are not going to find a more majestic sunset or beautiful beach than these Outer Cape beaches. These are all the bonfire people. Some people are surf fishing, and I'll be fishing down the way this way. That in this direction is Coast Guard Light. And you need permits for these bonfires, but man, they're a heck of a good fun. And this is the good life, man. You know, you do this kind of stuff. So I can see the seals from here and this end of it. So I'm gonna fish probably till like midnight. If anything significant happens here, I don't have lights to illuminate stuff, but I know that it's gonna be a seal thing. But I will continue with this episode if something significant happens. And I want to thank you all for showing up. on this week's edition of the Outer Cape. Clouds of mosquitoes. I gotta get more cutter. On this edition of the Outer Cape, it is just a spectacular night, perfect for fishing. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and tune in again next week. I should be back at the canal trying to catch stripers. So with that, my name is Paul K. This is Saturday Mornings Outdoors. I am awfully grateful for you guys to show up and watch all this stuff and subscribe and like and all that. Thank you very much. And we'll see you next week.